Good morning from Portugal. Today I have 20 euro session, 4 in a row. Hola, buen día. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Eu tenho o número 33, não, 30, 31, 30, 32, 33. Os números. Ok? Os números. Numbers 30, 31, 32, 33. It doesn't matter. All we need is money. Numbers doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna use my countryman from Arizona. M2M, grab and gamble matching number for those who don't play lottery. And any multiplier is win. There's 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x, or 50x. We're looking for 42, 27, 32, 45, 16 in Portuguese numbers. 31, 17, 11, 13, far from reality. 44, 38, 35, 19, 18, 22, oh Lord, 26, 33, 28, 28, 38, 28, 23 y 40. Nada. Go to 31. Okay, let's go to ticket number 31. We're looking for 37, 39, 42, 21, 33. A lot of 30s. 44, 27, 40, 16, 22, 23, 42. I found a match, okay? So this is not 0. 45. 42, I found 42. 13, at least give me one more match. And if you don't, at least a good win. 18, 34 y 29. I have only one match. How much? Oh Lord of mercy. Always coffee money, guys. Okay, so I got 5 euro. 5 euro is a joke, guys. Okay, my phone stopped working, guys. But I found 5 euro again in ticket number 32. So it's back-to-back wins. Okay, 31, 5 euro. 32, 5 euro. My phone keeps stopping, guys. I don't know why. I need to buy a new one. Okay, now let's go to the last ticket. Ticket number 33. We're looking for 37, 42, 43, 38. This is set. They give me 39, of course. 35, 24, 36, 16, 34. I forgot to start, guys, the other ticket. Ticket number 32. 11, 27, 28, no 20s, 45, no, 41, 42, 12, 32 y 22. Of course not. But I got 2 wins and 4 tickets, but what to say, all 5 euros. So ticket number 31, 5 euro, 42, and ticket number 32, 5 euro. So I got 10 euro out of 20, 2 losing tickets, and 2 winning tickets. Okay, 4 raspadillas, 2 tenían premios y 2 now tenían premios. 10 euro. 2 sum para Santa Casa, 10 euro donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.